accounting of goodwill. In this topic, we have to adjust our revalued goodwill. See, when the firm will reconstitute, okay, when we do reconstitution of the firm in any manner, in that case, goodwill will be revalued, right? And always adjust revalued goodwill. If we have revalued goodwill in the sum in any statement, we will do adjust. We will pass adjustment entry for revalued goodwill. That will be gainer's capital account debit to sacrificer's capital account. Right? First important thing, always adjust revalued goodwill in gainer's capital account debit to sacrificer's capital account. If there is any information related to old goodwill, says goodwill exists in the balance sheet, right? If there is any existed goodwill, old goodwill, then we will always write off the goodwill. Okay, words are most important. Just keep in mind, when the goodwill is revalued, we will adjust that goodwill, we will pass adjustment entry. Now, okay, but when we have old goodwill with us, existed goodwill in the statement, then we will do write off, okay, or we will distribute that amount of goodwill. Then our entry will be partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Okay, adjustment means adjusting entry through sacrificing gaining ratio, gainers debit to sacrificers account. Existed goodwill means write off or distribution of that amount, then we will pass partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Okay, one more method is there. When goodwill account is raised and written off, this method is for new goodwill, means our revalued goodwill. Okay, if the question says that goodwill revalued for says rupees 1 lakh, show the treatment of goodwill with raised and written off of goodwill account. In that case, we will create goodwill that is raised. After that, we will do write off the same amount of goodwill. We will create goodwill. In first entry, what will we do? We'll create our asset by debiting it, goodwill account debit to partners capital account in their old ratio. And when we do write off that same amount of goodwill, we will do reverse entry. We will pass partners capital account debit to goodwill account, but in their new ratio. Net effect will be remain same as gainers to sacrificer. But if the situation says the treatment of goodwill through raised and write off of goodwill account, in that case create goodwill, we are creating asset, then we'll do debit to partner's capital account, and in next entry just write off the same amount of goodwill. We are doing write off our asset, then we'll do credit, and partners will do payment. Partners capital account debit to goodwill account. But when we are raising, then transfer that amount in their old ratio, and at the time of writing of that amount, pass the entry according to new ratio. This is our treatment of goodwill